Now I'll show you how to AI import your cash flow entries from a transaction document, like a CSV or a screenshot. So for this demo, I have a CSV that has some buy and sell trades of my stocks. And here in my portfolio, I have some stocks added. What I'll do is I'll go to the Amazon stock returns tab, AI import, upload file. Here you go. The AI has identified the buys and sells of my Amazon stocks from the document. I'll just make sure that it is mapped to the correct asset, which is and the numbers are correct. At this point, because what I did was I went to the Amazon stock returns tab, and then I imported. It will only focus on the Amazon stock, and it will ignore the rest. Once I'm sure things are fine, I'll click on the import button, and once it is done, I'll close, and then you can see that the cash flow entries are added, and you can see the IRR for my Amazon stock. Now you can see what I did here. I went into a specific assets return screen, and I imported a cash flow document which focused on only the asset that I have selected, right? And now what I have to do is I have to go to each asset and do it. But then if I'm confident enough at this level without going into a particular asset at outside, I can just copy paste the file, and let's see how it works. So maybe we can just ignore this and directly go to the cash flow tab, and here you can see it has now picked the cash flow for all the assets, for example, starting with Apple. So all these Apple stocks, the transactions of my Apple stocks, it has come in as a new entry. Amazon should be an update, because there is no update basically. This is just the same because I have already added. And for Microsoft, again, they are new, right? I can just make sure that the asset it is mapped to is correct. If I think it is wrong, I have to click here and then go and search for the right one and select it. So currently it has mapped it properly. If I think it is wrong, I have to click here and map to the correct one. Okay, I think it looks fine overall. I don't like if I do not want to do anything with this, like at this point I can maybe ignore them because I've already added. I don't want to again go and update those rows, so I can just collapse it. And these are the new for Apple and Microsoft. I'm going to import the cash flow. I click this. Done. It says here imported 0 rows, but here imported 5 rows and 4 rows. I close this, and now I'll go to see. For both Microsoft, Apple, it has added the cash flow and the IRR has started showing. I'll click here and see. This is what AI imported.